Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I just want to go back to mobile strategies, and this one is one that you really need to have. So no more complaints about not having a laptop. I want to show you guys you can still make such profits. Let me just show you. You can actually make such profits as you trade on the phone. All this was just on the phone. So today I'm just going to show you guys how we're able to manage this. Mind you, the Telegram channel, the one for the VIP signal group, is very much active and alive. If you want to get in there, it's actually free. All you have to do is that you just have to open an FBS account using the referral link on the video description and just deposit as little as 10 US dollars over there and send me the screenshot after depositing, and I'll definitely put you on the VIP signal group. So today what we're going to be using is a very simple indicator. So the first thing that I want us to go to do right now is that I want us to come up here. So just go up here right on this place, because I want us to get the indicator, and then you're going to go to the main chart F function. And when you get to the main chart F function, I want you to click on alligator. So when you get to alligator, these are the settings. Jaws period, put it on 13. Jaws shift, put it on 8. Teeth period 8. Teeth shift 5. Lips period 5. Lip shift 3. Methods moderate, apply to open, and make sure all the time frames are in order, because you can use it on all the time frames. And then we are about to go. You can just change the colors down here if you really wish to, but there is really not much attention on that. So you can change those colors, and then you're going to click save. So after clicking save, you're going to get the alligator, and this is how it's supposed to appear on your chart. So guys, this one is very simple. I'm just going to take a few minutes here and then I'll be done with you. So this is what I'm going to do on this one. So the first thing that you're going to do on the alligator, or something that you need to mind when you're talking about the alligator, is this. So I just want to compress it for you so that I can just show you very much clearly. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to find these three lines: the red line, the green line, and the blue line. So whenever you find that price is like this, if you find the lines like this, it means that price is ranging. So it means that price is just on range. And if ever you are going to see the lines opening up something like this, so if they are now starting to spread, it means that price is opening either having an uptrend or a downtrend. Either way, whichever position or direction that you're going to choose to go, you make sure that you can now place a trade, either a buy entry or a sell entry. If it goes up, it means you are buying. If it goes down, it means you are selling. Easy as that. So let's just get to the chart and see if we can talk about this more in person. So I said the first thing that you mind is when the lines are doing something like this. So as you can see over here, once the lines start crossing, you are now, that is your target. When the lines immediately they finish crossing, what you are going to mind is this. So these are just easy steps. So this is what you're going to mind. If you find bearish engulfing candles or bearish consecutive candles, it means that price is going to be going down. So let's see if that is true. So after that movement, let me just show you well. You can see that we had a downtrend of price easily. So now let's get to another one. Let's look for another position. As you can see over here, the way this mix over here, you can just see it. Lines are now crossing each other. Now immediately after crossing each other, let us look at this position. So we have got a bullish engulfing candle over here. So if we have a bullish engulfing candle, that gives us an assurance that price will be going up. Guys, this is the 15-minute time frame. This is Euro USD. So you can even use it on the 5-minute time frame, but it works perfectly. It works perfectly. So all we want on wait for is when price is doing this. So when the lines begin to do such games, if they do this, and the only thing we are going to wait for is after they just open, for instance, just after they finish crossing each other, and we go back to the chart and we look at price action and we see a bullish engulfing candle, price is definitely going to be buying. So let's see. As you can see, we had a wonderful upward movement of price. So guys, I could have done this more and more, just trying to prove to you that this thing works. Just look at this. As you can see, price was on the mix over here, and then immediately what we are going to do is thumb down here and check. So if ever we see that, we now know that things are going to be bearish. As you can see, we've got a bearish engulfing candle all over this place. So guys, that is basically how it's going to work. And look at that, price action is definitely going down. So basically this is how this strategy works. Anyone can do this one on your mobile phone. You are just free to make it work. I want you to try this one, back test it on every pair that you are definitely using. And so guys, I'll be seeing you on the next video. Otherwise, feel free to subscribe. Much love. Happy Easters.